boy. And it's kind of like the first rib way down there. So we're going to come, feel that?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so basically a whole right side body problem here. It's weak already.
Okay.
So bring your left arm up. Don't let me push down. It's real light. That's pretty good. I'll bring this one. And hold. Okay, feel a difference there?
I feel weaker here.
Definitely. Let's go face down again. And straight leg raise. And hold. And straight leg raise. And hold.
Oh.
Definitely a big difference. Okay, so I'm just gonna, because of that curve here, I want to come over and just work the rib cage back, okay? Perfect. Yeah, so it's not as much as last week down here. We're finding it all up in here, and we found those bones out of alignment here. So let's take care of that. Let's have you sit up for a moment. And this is facing towards that way. And I'll do shoulders behind your neck. And just realize, let the elbows go. Is that okay? Beautiful. Excellent. And lie on your back. And so the range of motion, you got a little bit of stuff hanging up here, right there. So we're going to come off that shoulder first. And it's kind of like the first rib way down there. So we're going to come, feel that? That was perfect. That's set nicely. And I even took a lot of pressure out of this upper one too, but we still have that little one there. Awesome. Nice. Awesome. Just breathe.
Oh, that little thing?
Yeah. A little thing we have to do. Prerequisite for life, right?
This is the good stuff. It's all good.
Yeah. Ooh, definitely that elbow. Okay.
Sound on.
Really? Busy wrists. There we go. 8 bones, and quite a few of them weren't moving right. Moving much better now. Let's check this side. That's okay. This is a little off. Okay, good.
Oh.
There it is. Good. Excellent. Amazing, huh?
Ooh,
Feel
ooh.
that joint right there. The one off that thumb. That's because those thumbs from texting can be an issue.
I don't use my thumbs to text.
Ah, well then what is it?
I really don't. The computer.
Okay. Beautiful. Excellent. So now, you're going to open up your palms. Squeeze back the shoulder blades together. Reset the shoulders. Good. You can feel this side. Right there. Excellent. Now let's sit up facing that way. And work out posture a little more. And chin down. And we're going to bring you back a little bit. How are we doing?
Good.
Beautiful. Okay, stay right there. Let's try the left side. And hold. Good. Try the right side. And hold.
Dr. Thanks.
Nice. Good job. Okay. All right. Power's on.
Thank
Okay.
you.
You're welcome.